Hello students, today we are going to study rules to draw the network. A network will have only one initial node. Initial node will have only the outgoing arrows. It means that if we are going to draw a network, then it will have only one initial node like this, and from this initial node it will have only the outgoing arrows just like these. A network can have only one final node, and final node will have only incoming arrows. It means that if a network is finishing like this, then it will have only one final node, and at this node only incoming arrows is present. An event cannot occur until all the activities leading to it are completed. It means that this event cannot occur until this activity which is leading to it is completed. No activity can start until its tail event has occurred. If an activity wants to start, then its tail event must have to occur like this. No event can occur twice, therefore network looping is not permitted. It means that if an event occur twice just like this. Now, this event occurred twice, so there will be a looping error like this, and we generally avoid network looping. One arrow should represent only one activity. Two or more arrows should not be used for a single activity. Similarly, two or more activities should not be represented by a single arrow. It means that only one activity is represented on one arrow, and two arrows cannot be used for representing a single activity. Similarly, two activities cannot be represented on a single arrow. The arrow should be straight lines. Curved arrow should be avoided. It means that the arrow will always be in the form of a straight line like this. Arrows should not cross each other. If crossing is unavoidable, then bridging may be done. It means that suppose that if we want to cross two arrows like this, then we have to do the bridging like this, so that both the arrow will not cross each other. The network should be drawn such that all activities are completed to reach the end objective. It means that we have to draw the network in such a way that all the activities are completed so that end objective will be reached. All constraints and interdependencies should be maintained properly by the use of dummies. It means that all the relationship within a particular network is represented by using the dummy activity. Network logic should always be maintained. It means that we have to perform each and every activity in a proper sequential manner so that logic will be maintained in a particular network. Time flow is from left to right, that is, arrow denoting activity should be point from left to right. However, if arrow is vertical, it may point upward or downward. Now, if we are going to draw a particular network, then we have to flow the time of the network in the left to right direction like this. Okay, we never draw any activity just like this, that is from here to here, because due to this activity the time flow is shown from right to left. So we will never draw the network like this. That is all about the rules to draw the network. Thank you, students.